I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlock payouts on your eBay seller account, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by signing into your eBay seller account using your username and password. This is the first step to accessing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account section. Look for the account settings option to access your payment preferences. Step 3. Check payment information. In the account settings, find the payment information section. Ensure that all your bank details and payment methods are correctly entered and verified. Step 4. Review selling limits. Check if you have any selling limits that might be affecting your payouts. Go to the selling limits section to see if you need to increase your limits. Step 5. Contact eBay support. If everything looks good but you still can't unlock payouts, reach out to eBay support. They can provide specific guidance based on your account status. Make sure to have your account details handy when you contact support. I found that sometimes a simple verification can speed up the process. Good luck and happy selling!